In this video today, we will see how to combine photos in iPhone without using any extra application. Now for this one, we are going to use this shortcut application that comes installed with the iPhone itself. So open this shortcuts application. Now the first thing that we will do is we will tap on this plus icon here, and we are going to create a new shortcut. So let me rename this shortcut. I will tap on this down arrow here and select rename, and I will rename this one as combine. After that, I will tap on this option add action. So at first what we will do is we will select photos that are present in the gallery. So at first I will tap on this search box, and then I will look for an action called select photos. Select and then photos. I will select this option. Then there is an arrow here on the side. I will tap on this arrow here, and I will enable this option select multiple, so that I can select multiple photos from the gallery. After that, again I will tap on this search box here, and then I will look for an action called combine. So after selecting photos, the next step will be to combine photos. Combine images, select it, and if you see there is an option here horizontally, let me tap on it. After combining photos, if you want to display the photos horizontally, you can select horizontally. If you want to display the combined photos vertically, select vertically. Again tap on this arrow here, and you will see there is another option, spacing. If you want to keep the space between the combined photos, you can put spacing here. So let me put any number here. So let me make it 100. After that, done. Now again I will look for another action. So once you have combined the photos, the third step will be to save the photos. So I will select save and select this option save to photo album. So the combined image will be saved to the recent folder which is in the photos album. If you tap on recent here, you can select other photo album also if you want. Let me select recent only, and then what you have to do is you have to select done. So if you see here, we have selected 3 actions. We have at first selected the photos, then we have combined the photos, and then we have saved the photos. Once you have done this one, select done. Now there is this combine here. This is the shortcut. What I have to do is I have to tap on this combine here. Then automatically the photo album will be open. You have to select those images which you want to combine. Let me select this one, 2 photos, and then this one, 3 photos. After that, add. Now you don't have to do anything. Automatically everything will be generated and the combination process is finished. You just saw before there was a tick mark here. That means the process is completed. I will close this one, and then I will go to photos. Let me open this recent folder, and let me open the last photo here. Now these are the 3 photos. They are combined and it is together now. So in this way you can combine any number of photos in iPhone and then save them as a single photo. If the size of the photo will be same, then it will be more better. Here you can see the sizes of the photo are different, but anyway they have been combined and you can see a single photo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.